Hi my loves, how are ya? Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make this amazing braid that you can create in 2 minutes. So begin by selecting our top section. I leave some hair out to frame my face, but this is totally optional, and we want to tie it with a clear elastic. Make sure to pull a little bit the hair on the crown to make it fuller and voluminous, and then you want to select our second section, incorporating a first ponytail as well, and then we want to of course tie it using a clear elastic. Fan out our created bubble from first and second ponytail. I hope that this makes sense. And then we want to repeat these steps one more time, leaving some hair underneath like so. Fan out created bubble, and then you want to grab the rest of your hair. I know it looks a little bit weird at this position of tying your hair. This will help us to not make our ponytail off center. And now, because hair accessories are so trendy and I found my old choker, I decided to wrap it around the ponytails like I'm showing. And yes, say hello to my cat because he's so playful. You can add any accessories that you like, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this braid. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.
It's like knowing